Want to end the year on a high note financially? Here are 9 crucial money moves you need to make before the year ends. That's right, we're talking about setting yourself up for success so you can crush your financial goals in the new year. It's easy to let these things slip your mind as the holidays approach. Trust me, I get it. You're thinking about family, presents, maybe booking a trip somewhere warm to escape the cold. But before you start sipping eggnog by the fire, let's make sure your finances are in tip-top shape. We're going to cover everything from maximizing your retirement contributions to tackling that pesky credit card debt. Let's dive in. First things first, we gotta talk about your budget. I know budgeting isn't the most glamorous topic, but it's the foundation of everything. Take some time to really look at where your money is going. Did you stick to your budget this past year? Or were there some areas where you overspent? Don't beat yourself up if you went a little overboard on those Amazon Prime days. The point is to recognize where you can improve. Alright, let's talk retirement. This is one of the most important things you can do for your future self. If your employer offers a 401k match, make sure you're contributing enough to get that full match. It's essentially free money, people. And don't forget about your IRA contributions for the year. The sooner you max these out, the more time your money has to grow. No one likes thinking about taxes, but it's way better to be prepared than hit with a big fat tax bill come April. Gather up all your receipts, look into potential deductions, and consider meeting with a tax professional. Trust me, a little tax planning now can save you a lot of headaches and money later. High-interest debt is like a weight around your neck, dragging you down and preventing you from reaching your full financial potential. Make a plan to pay down those credit card balances as quickly as possible. Consider a debt snowball or debt avalanche method, whatever works best for you. Imagine starting the new year with a clean slate and less financial stress. It's possible. When was the last time you really looked at your insurance policies? Life throws curveballs, so it's crucial to make sure you have the right coverage for your current needs. This includes health, auto, renters, homeowners, and even life insurance. Shop around for better rates and make sure you're not overpaying. Your credit score is like your financial GPA, and it's essential to keep it in good shape. Order a free copy of your credit report from all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Make sure there are no errors or inaccuracies. Dispute any mistakes you find and work on improving your score if needed. Set financial goals for next year. It's time to think about what you want to achieve financially in the new year. Do you want to buy a house? Pay off debt? Invest more? Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Write them down and make a plan to reach them. Rebalance your investment portfolio. If you've been investing for a while, chances are your portfolio could use some rebalancing. Take a look at your asset allocation: stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. And make sure it still aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Remember, diversification is key. Build or replenish your emergency fund. An emergency fund is like your financial safety net. It's there to catch you if something unexpected happens: job loss, medical bills, car repairs, you name it. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. If you dipped into your emergency fund this year, make it a priority to replenish it. Alright, so now you're ready to get your finances in shape. There you have it. 9 crucial money moves to make before the year ends. Let's start 2025 off the right way. You can do it. I know it might seem like a lot, but remember, small steps lead to big results. You don't have to do everything at once, but start somewhere. Don't wait. Start making these money moves today and set yourself up for financial success in the new year. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips.